This is a special presentation of Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow. Any other use of materials, photos, and accounts without MP Promotions' consent is strictly prohibited. Previously on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow.
Overpowered by Enano. Ito po mga highlights ng laban. Round number 1. Ito po yung knockdown na nangyari. Right hand coming from Enano. Bagsak po si Rex Bautista. That was a clear and legit knockdown. But he got up, beat the count. Round number 3. Bumanat dun si Bautista trying to come back. He scored with a few punches. Parang may kasamang siko yata yung ginawa kanina ni Bautista. Round number 4, patuloy yung aksyon. And on the attack, si Enano, binabanata niya yung katawan ni Rex Bautista. Akala ko nga, titiklop na lang si Bautista. He was getting hammered in the midsection. And in round number 6, that was a big left hand scored by Enano, pushing Bautista back on his heels. And he was looking for a knockout. He didn't get it. Rex Bautista proving tough, finishing the fight on his feet. Enano, the winner by a unanimous decision. Antonio Uy has been introduced, the crossman. At si Dennis Andar naman po, the machine gun. Ito po ang nangyari. Pukpukan, bakbakan. Ayun, bumagsak doon. Si Antonio Uy, he got cracked there by a combination. Nagkaroon din po ng 1-point deduction on Andar for a low blow. Very busy man si referee Aljanita sa laban na yun. And in round number 4, ito na po, yung what a knockdown. Grabe yon, tinamaan ng solid ng kaliwa. Nadulig po si Antonio Uy. And he went down like a log. And then, more punishment inflicted here by Dennis Andar. Now, that should have been a knockdown. Lumabas siya sa ring. Si Antonio Uy, hindi din nabilangan. But just the same, nanalo po si Dennis Andar. TKO.
Siguro po yung preparation ko ngayon, mas nagpursige po ako eh. Kaya lang, syempre, gusto ko po maging mapabilang po talaga sa pinakamagagaling eh. Kaya gagawin ko po yung best ko sa lahat ng mga labang ko.
Pangarap din dati na ni Papa na ayun lang, hindi niya na ano. Tapos yun, nagustuhan ko din. Kaya pangarap ko, pangarap ng pamilya ko. Kaya gusto ko din talaga mag-boxing.
Patuloy ang aksyon dito sa Bernardo Park Covered Court, Barangay Camuning, Quezon City. Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang mga kasama natin, all enjoying the action. Nako, agagandahan ng mga kaibigan natin dito. Ma'am Marife Barrera, kumusta po kayo? Dan Barrera, always present sa mga laban natin. Ma'am Len Tomas, kasama din natin from MP Promotions. At ito na po, ang susunod na laban natin. 6 rounds, 109-pound limit. Actually, ang light flyweight division limit is 108, so this is 1 over the limit. Hilario Gananda from Tasimacalos Boxing Gym. Si Tasimacalos, former world champion natin yan. Kontra Carlo Diaz Dasix from Iraya Boxing Gym, Los Baños, Laguna. Ito naman po ang kanilang tail of the tape. Makikita po natin, 25 years old si Diaz, 21 years old naman si Gananda. Ang record po ni Gananda, makikita po natin, is 3-0 with 2 knockouts. Pero si Carlo Diaz, ang record po niya, 3 wins with 1 loss and 1 knockout. Okay, southpaw si Diaz at right-hander naman si Gananda. Ito na po ang ating ring announcer, Bobby Mondahar, for the official intros.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Carlo Diaz. Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here at Barangay Camuning, Quezon City. In partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Barangay Chairwoman Army Castel and Kagawad Joey De Dios. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Richard Clarin, Commissioner Sherwin Bugarin, the Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Miss Jackie Lou Cacho Ornido. Ringside physicians, Dr. Jose Rolando Rivera, Dr. Noel Napa. Timekeepers, Kim Dangan, Romulo Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 108.7 pounds. He has a record of 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 win coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Hiraya Boxing Gym, Los Baños, Laguna. Ladies and gentlemen, Carlo Dangerous Diaz VII. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 108.7 pounds. He has a record of 3 wins, no loss. 2 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Tasimacalos Boxing Gym, Bangar, La Union. Ladies and gentlemen, Hilario Gananda. Judges at ringside, Judge Akil Tamano, Greg Ortega, Attorney Dan Rex Tapdasan. Third man in the ring, referee Jojo Llanera. This will be 6 rounds of professional boxing.
Oo,
Boxers,
talaga.
ingatan ang inyong ulo ha. Obey my command at all times and protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves.
Magandang laban po ito. Genanda kontra Diaz in the junior flyweight or light flyweight division. 6-rounders po ito. Si Genanda po is, ang tawag natin sa kanya, blow by blow baby. All 3 fights have been shown on blow by blow. Naku, umuusok ito si Genanda. Umuusok. Gusto niyang patulugin agad si Carlo Diaz. Si Diaz is in his second blow-by-blow appearance. Ang record po ni Diaz, kagaya ng nabanggit natin kanina, 3-1 with 1 knockout. Natalo po siya in his first professional fight. Pagkatapos nun, 3 sunod na panalo kaagad. Yan po ang ginawa ni Carlo Diaz as siya at saka si Genanda are really slugging it out dito. Aliwete po si Carlo Diaz, and last June, on blow by blow, he scored a 3rd round knockout over Vincent Horda. At ito naman si Genanda. Nako, he has scored 2 first round knockouts. Kanya is very impatient. Gusto niyang patuluhin ka agad yung mga kalaban niya. Record po niya 3-0 with 2 knockouts. Both those knockouts came in the first round. Last September in his previous fight, 6-round decision over Ken Bilyita. Eladio Genanda, undefeated fighter. Oh, nice right hand scored by Diaz as he was moving away. Hop, nagkaroon ng slip doon. Ang tawag kay Diaz, Dangerous Diaz. At ang sabi naman ni Genanda sa kanya, Buenos Dias. Aha. Again, yung nasabi natin kanina, umuusok ito si Genanda. But Diaz looks like he's very precise sa kanyang mga punching. At kumakaunter siya ng maganda. Magalaw din si Diaz. He's using the space inside the ring to move away from his opponents. Sinisilip-silip ni Diaz yung depensa ni Genanda. Some big shots are being detonated sa laban. And just missed with the right hand si Genanda. Hindi natatakot dito si Diaz, ha? Genanda has been showing a lot of fireworks. Pero si Diaz, keeping his composure. Oh, nakatama doon si Diaz. Good counter punch. And again, si Diaz nakatama. A good first round action pack. Naku, tinawanan lang ni Dangerous Diaz si Genanda. Looks like this has the makings of a great fight. We are scheduled for 6 rounds. Taga Los Baños, Laguna po si Carlo Diaz, the 7th. Ito, panuurin po natin. Oh, nice right hand coming from Diaz as he was moving away. And then the left hand straight coming from Diaz once more. Yan po ang mga punches of the round natin. Brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Diaz, the more precise of the two, while Genanda, the more aggressive of the two. Mahirap piliin kung sino nanalo ng first round. Are you gonna give it to the aggressor or are you gonna give it to the one who scored the sharper punches? The volume punching was on the side of Genanda, but the sharper punches were connected by Diaz. Genanda looking to cut the space between the fighters.
Taas, taas.
Dangerous Diaz. Nakaangat kaagad yung dalawang kamay niya because he's expecting Genanda to come charging in, and then he moves around Ito, panuorin natin yung footwork ni Diaz. Yung lateral movement niya. Iniikutan niya si Gananda para mahilo. Hinihilo niya si Gananda. Oh, kita mo. Oh, nice shot coming from Diaz, the right hand. See, he's catching Gananda off guard because of his movement. Yan ang maganda dito. And again, for all the boxing purists, yung mga boxing scholars, makikita natin how important movement of the feet is. It creates angles for your shots. And dapat, when you move, you're always looking to unload. You know, yung counter ni Diaz. Pagpasok ni Gananda, meron nakaabang na suntok. But what makes Gananda such a tough fighter is his power. Again, nasabi natin kanina, yung dalawang knockout niya, scored in the first round. Dangerous Diaz, continuing to move around the ring. Parang tinaasan ni Diaz ang kanyang skill level from the last time we saw him score that third round stoppage of Vincent Horda. That was last June. Looks like he's improved his craft tremendously.
Break!
While si Gananda naman,
Box!
same thing, no? Maganda rin ang pinapakita niya rito, his aggressiveness. This is a very evenly matched fight. Ayan ang mapapanood natin sa blow by blow. A lot of action. And ang promise natin sa inyo is we're going to showcase yung mga up-and-coming fighters natin. And their dream is to follow in the footsteps of our idol, our 8th Division World Champion, Senator Manny Pacquiao. And Diaz throwing combinations. End of the round, another explosive action na napanood natin. Nassim Makalos, former IBF light flyweight champion, in the corner of Gananda from Bangar, La Union. Napapalaban dito si Gananda. I don't think he expected this kind of struggle against Carlo Diaz. But ako, ang feeling ko, kung makatama ni si Gananda ng isang solid na suntok, yung talagang square landing, babagsak at babagsak yan si Carlo Diaz. But that remains to be seen. Number one, can he find the opening? Number two, baka naman si Diaz, being the dangerous Diaz that he is, baka siya naman ang makatama. Unahan niya si Gananda. So a lot of questions to be answered in this fight. We are in round number 3. Magalaw, mabilis ito si Diaz. Very quick on his feet. Both fighters now fighting distance. Hindi matamaan ng solid ni Gananda kasi magalaw si Dangerous Diaz. So he never stands in the pocket to get hit squarely by Gananda. Good run so far for Gananda. Oh, nice shot. That rocked Diaz. Left hand coming from Gananda. And again, yung elusive tactics ni Dangerous Diaz. Galaw ng galaw, lateral movement. No standing target para kay Gananda. And Gananda has to pressure him. Cut the ring off. Gananda has to push him towards the ropes and into a corner.
Slip.
There's a slip.
Okay. Box.
Ang bilis kumalaw ni Diaz. Iniikutan niya. Right hand scored by Diaz from long distance. Diaz sometimes using that left hand as a lead punch, and then sometimes using the right jab. He is a southpaw. And again, iniikutan niya si Gananda to throw off Gananda's rhythm.
Hi.
End of the round. Another masterful performance by Diaz, although Gananda might have won that round because of his sheer aggressiveness. Pero magalaw ito si Diaz. Meron siyang game plan na ginagawa rito, and it's to take away the power and the pressure of Gananda. Gananda is forced to run after or chase down Diaz. Hinahabol niya si Diaz at masyado magalaw si Diaz. Hindi niya ma-pin down. Punch of the round natin. Oh, ang ganda. Yun ang magandang tama. Galing kay Gananda. And then, nakabalik naman si Dangerous Diaz kaagad with that right hand. And he's never stationary. Yun ang maganda sa estilo ni Diaz. Sobrang magalaw. He's not stagnant. Always moving. Very mobile. You know what? Bilis, oh. To move away from harm's way. Combination coming from Diaz. This time, they're in the center of the ring. Tapos, gagalaw na naman si Diaz. Para walang target si Gananda. Oh! Tumama. Tumama yun. That was a big shot. That was a knockdown. I thought his gloves touched the canvas. So now they're gonna call. They're gonna call the knockdown. Eh, yun ang sinasabi natin. If he lands squarely, babagsak yan si Diaz. Gananda is that strong, that powerful of a fighter. So round number 4, knockdown against Diaz. Tinamaan siya ni Gananda. Now Gananda's power. We're gonna see it in full display as he tries to put down Diaz once more. Nakascore na siya ng knockdown dito. At inamin naman ni Diaz, he picked himself up from the floor right away, but his hands, his gloves touched the canvas, so that's a clear knockdown. And he didn't complain. He accepted it. But again, Gananda, hirap na hirap siya rito, no? Maka-find ng standing target. Naka-landing na siya ng isa. And he wants to do it again. Boy, this is action-packed. Silang dalawa. At sabi ni Diaz, sige pa! Tapos tatakbo siya. Lateral movement. Iiwas. Pero ito, Gananda is moving up. Sabi ni Diaz, slip daw yun. Bibilangan ba? Binilagan! Binilagan si Diaz. Binilagan si Diaz. That's a second knockdown in this round. So that's already a 10-7 round para kay Gananda, and he's going in for the kill. Dalawang beses na bumagsak si Diaz. That's a nice left hand scored by Gananda, and then a clubbing left hand to the side of the face ni Diaz. Hindi na masyadong tumatakbo si Diaz. Parang naubusan na ng gasolina. Gananda. His power is right on the money sa round na to. Ito, binalikan siya ni Diaz. Remember, Diaz went down twice in this round. That's 10-7 the count para kay Gananda sa round number 4. Wow, action-packed. Tapos na po ang round number 4 natin. 2 beses binilangan si Carlo Diaz, Dangerous Diaz, ng ating referee Jojo Llanera. Mapapanood po natin yung mga knockdowns. When we show the punch of the round, brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Ito po nangyari. Yun, tumama yung kanan. And yes, his gloves touched the canvas. So that's a knockdown. You gotta score the knockdown. When any part of your body touches the canvas outside of your feet, that's a knockdown. So you saw the right glove touch the canvas after he got hit. That's a knockdown. Tama yung tawag ni referee Llanera that he was called for another knockdown before the round ended. I don't know about that second knockdown. Round number 5 na po tayo. Gananda trying to trap Diaz along the ropes and into a corner. Marami ng suntok ang tinanggap ni Dangerous Diaz, especially to the midsection. Pero patuloy ang kanyang galaw, yung lateral movement niya. At sabi ni Gananda, sandali, hindi kita hahabulin. Dito tayo sa sentro. Okay, tatakbo na naman si Dangerous Diaz. And this is not gonna win the round for Diaz. But it's clear that he's coasting. He's looking to survive. Masyadong malakas itong kalaban ni Diaz and Gananda. There, he's coming on strong. Pag maabusan ng gasolina si Diaz, hindi na makakatakbo yan. That makes him an easy target para kay Gananda. Papasok at papasok na ito si Gananda. Aatake na yan. And you can be sure he's gonna go for the kill. I think Diaz is shaken up. Right hand scored by Gananda. Diaz kulang sa power. If he only had the power to hurt Gananda, it wouldn't be like this. Right now, he's just using his speed, his lateral movement to survive. And he's not gonna win this fight doing this. He's got to unload. Dapat magpakita siya ng firepower. Maganda sana yung fight plan niya, pero yung lateral movement at saka yung depensa, dapat in combination with good offense. Gananda has been overpowering. Ayaw niyang habulin si Diaz because yun ang game plan ni Diaz. Pahabol niya si Gananda para maubo si Gananda. I think Gananda's too smart for that. And of course si Gananda, ang kanyang cornerman, si Tassi Makalos, veterano yan. He's not gonna be outsmarted, that's for sure. Okay, malapit ang matapos ang ating round number 5. And that's it. So one more round coming up in this 6th rounder, Gananda versus Carlo Diaz. Remember back in round number 4, 2 beses nabilangan si Carlo Diaz ng ating third man in the ring, si Jojo Llanera. Punch of the round natin. Tumama yung kanan ni Dangerous Diaz. Yun. To the side of the head, but not solid. Just the same, that was a punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Ito, nabubuhusan na ng tubig para nagsha-shower si Gananda sa loob ng ring. At dyan naman si Dangerous Diaz. Being cared for by Jason
Last
Yong
round.
Pasukin.
Last round.
Last round na po tayo. It's been action-packed. It's been extremely exciting.
Box.
And yan po ang klaseng aksyon na papanood nyo sa blow by blow. Left hand connected there by Gananda on the face of Diaz. And prior to that, Diaz connected with a shot to the body. Ito, hindi na maabutan ni Diaz si Gananda. And si Diaz, hindi na masyado magalaw dito. Nawala na yung kanyang lateral movement. He's standing his ground. And I think Diaz realizes that kung plano niyang manalo, he has to stand his ground. Makipagpalitan siya. And he went down twice in round number 4. So malaking deficit yun. 10-7 round yun para kay Gananda. Action has stopped here. Oh, nice. Right hand scored by Gananda. Big right hand scored by Gananda that time. Nasa corner si Diaz. And a shot to the body. Oh, the big shots are being exploded here by Gananda.
Tumama, itaas mo, suntok mo. Huwag mo, ano. Okay, box!
Ang masasabi ko lang, ang ganda ng gupit ni Dangerous Diaz. Ibang klase ang kanyang hairstyle. Gananda, makikita natin ang focus sa kanyang mukha. Really a sharp focus to keep his unbeaten record. Less than a minute to go in this fight. Diaz now looking to come in. And he's hoping to be able to hit one punch that could turn this fight around para sa kanya. Hindi na masyadong gumagalaw si Diaz. Siya lang ngayon ang umaatake. But that opens himself up for a big shot coming from Gananda. So dapat mag-ingat din siya. But this fight is almost over. And yes, it is going to be over. Yan, tapos na. Tapos na ang laban. Dangerous Diaz against Gananda. And it looks like Gananda did more than enough to deserve this victory. It's going to be a unanimous decision victory para sa kanya. Inuunahan ko na yung mga judges. But Carlo Diaz had a fight plan. Maganda kanyang fight plan. Magandang kanyang galaw, foot movement. Kulang lang sa power, kulang sa suntok. And Gananda was just too strong para sa kanya. Dalawang beses siya bumagsak in round number 4. Napuruhan siya. At least in one of those knockdowns. That's another right hand connected by Gananda. Yung second knockdown, medyo questionable. Kasi paatras si Carlo Diaz and then he's lost his footing. But that also came after a punch. But, well, the referee called it a knockdown, so that will stick as a knockdown. So, dalawang beses po nabilangan si Carlo Diaz in round number 4. As we await the judge's decision, the announcement coming from a ring announcer, Bobby Mondejar. Yan po si Dangerous Diaz. A gesture of sportsmanship on the part of the fighters. Ako, I dare say, malayong mararating ni Gananda. Ganon din si Carlo Diaz. This boy has style. Ang ganda ng kanyang lateral movement. siguro konting hasa lang sa kanyang power punching. Okay, momentarily, ring announcer Bobby Mandahar will now give us the decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of boxing, we have a winner. Here are the scores of the 3 judges. Judge Ortega scored it 58-55, Genanda. Judge Tapdasan scored it 56-56, even. Judge Tamano scored it 57-55. Winner by majority decision, Hilario Genanda. Genanda.
And Hilario Gananda has won this fight by a majority decision. I'm surprised. Attorney Danrex Tapdasan had it a draw. And one round, dalawang knockdown na score ni Gananda. But, well, I think the ring generalship ni Carlo Diaz, yun siguro ang nakita ni Judge Tapdasan. And he wanted to give him credit for his ring craftsmanship and generalship. So, yun ang sinasabi natin, si Dangerous Diaz, I think kung ma-complement yan yung kanyang lateral movement at saka yung fight plan with good offense, I think he'll go far, just like Gananda. Both these fighters are very promising at I would hazard to say that these two guys are gonna go far sa kanilang boxing careers. And the best of luck to them, Gananda at saka si Carlo Diaz, especially since Gananda is a blow-by-blow baby. Lahat po ng laban niya nangyari po sa blow-by-blow. Always nice to see a blow-by-blow baby come up the ranks and shine brightly. Yan si Hilario Gananda. Carlo Diaz, ganun din. And here's, again, more highlights of the fight that just ended. And finally, the decision, Gananda by a majority decision, winning over Carlo Diaz the 7th. Congratulations, Hilario Gananda, still undefeated, now with the record of 4-0 and 2 knockouts. A winner by majority decision over Carlo Diaz the 7th.